Hey guys, it's Deana, and today I'm making a creamy bacon mushroom risotto. And I'm using my Instant Pot to make it quickly and easily. Don't forget to show your support by clicking the like button, share this recipe with your friends and family, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell to get reminders and alerts on new videos. I'm also on Instagram, so don't forget to tag me at Lifestyles with Deana when you recreate my dishes. This risotto is perfectly cooked in my Instant Pot. It is creamy, rich, and savory. It can be easily changed into a vegetarian dish by removing the bacon and replacing the chicken stock with vegetable. And all written recipes are available on my website at deanathai.com. Without further ado, let's get cooking, you guys. Set the Instant Pot mode to sauté. Begin by cooking the chopped up bacon. You'll need 6 thick slices. Cook the bacon until they are nice and crispy. Reserve some pieces for garnishing if you like. To the crispy bacon, we're going to add some chopped onions. You'll need a medium onion that's been chopped, or approximately 1.5 cups. Give the onions a good stir. Next, add 4 minced garlic cloves. The smell in here is incredible, you guys. A crust is starting to form on the bottom of the Instant Pot. Deglaze it with the first quarter cup of white wine. This will help us prevent burning all the flavor that we've just built from the onions, garlic, and bacon. Add 2 cups of sliced mushrooms. While the bacon, onions, and garlic add a savory note, the mushrooms add a nice earthy note to our risotto. Add half a teaspoon of garlic powder. Add 1 teaspoon of dry or 1 tablespoon of fresh thyme. Add half a teaspoon of black pepper. Give the mixture a good stir. Next, add 2 cups of Arborio rice or medium grain Calrose. Give the mixture a good stir until everything is well incorporated. Sauté the rice for 3 to 4 minutes. A crust or buildup should be forming at the base of the pot. Time to add that last quarter cup of white wine to deglaze and save all that flavor that we've been building up. Now it's time for the 4 cups of chicken stock. Then we can let the Instant Pot work its magic. Push all the rice kernel down into the broth and give it a good stir. Cancel sauté mode, secure the lid, and close the vent. Set on mode for meat stew or high pressure for 5 minutes. Quick release the pressure when the Instant Pot is done cooking. Let's see what we have. It smells so good. Voila! It's time to put finishing touches and make it even more creamy. Add 2 tablespoons of butter and 3/4 cup of Parmesan. Give everything a good stir. Make sure to break up the Parmesan and incorporate it really well. Check it out. Look at how creamy and glossy this looks. The smell is also incredible, guys. Let's plate it up and serve. Full written recipes are available on my website at deanathai.com. And if you recreate my dishes, don't forget to tag me on IG at Lifestyles with Deana. Don't forget the reserved crunchy bacon. Use it as a garnish. Thank you so much for spending your valuable time with me today. I hope that you continue to practice to become the master chefs in your own home. If you've enjoyed this easy Instant Pot recipe, show your support by subscribing to my channel. Hit that notification bell so that you get alerts on new videos. Follow me on Instagram for weekly meal inspirations. Until next time, my friends, goodbye.